and welcome to my channel. My name is Ariel and today I'm going to review Nadine West Suscription for clothes, and I'm going to show you what I think, what I got, and I'm going to try it on for you. So let's get into it. So it comes in this bag. They stuffed this in my mailbox. I'm not really sure how that even fit in there. So the first thing I got were these jewelry pouches, and we're going to go over them and see what they are. So this is a bracelet. It's pretty cute. I don't know. I guess I can come up closer. It's pretty cute, but I don't know. I'm not really into the whole charm bracelet thing. I don't even know if I can get it on my wrist. That's it right there. It's a little heavy, but it's cute. The next thing I got was this necklace. I'm not really into these little chain necklaces here because I feel like they get tangled. It took me about 5 minutes to untangle this just to get it to sit like this. It's cute, it's dainty, but I'm not sure if it's actually something that I would wear because, you know, I don't want to spend 20 minutes untangling a necklace. And then we have these earrings, which I guess are supposed to probably match this thing here, but there they are. I'm not a real big fan of them. They're little gold earrings. I mean, they're cute, but they're just not my style. So there's that. Okay, so the first item I got in the subscription was this long sleeve shirt from Heart and Hips. It's a medium, very wrinkled, but it's cute. This here is cute. I'm gonna put the prices somewhere in this video so that you can see them as I'm going through. This is cute. It's stretchy, which I love stretchy material. It looks like it would fit good, so let's try it on. Okay, so here's the shirt. I think it's cute, but it's a little more than I was looking for. I didn't realize it was that deep, but it's pretty cute. It's stretchy. The quality, I mean, it's not the best quality, but the shirt is cute. However, for me, it might be a little too revealing just to wear out on a normal, you know, basis. And this neck piece too, it's hard to get on because it's stiff. See, there's no stretch to that. So like, you have to kind of be careful not to, you know, get your makeup and hair messed up when you're putting it on. So I'm not sure about this shirt. So put your comments below and let me know what you think. This is the next item. It's a hippie chic, I think is the name of the brand, sweatshirt. It looks a lot like a Hollister sweatshirt I had in blue, so that's nice. I don't really like when you can feel these things on the inside, all these lines here, you know, you can actually feel the seams on the inside. It's kind of irritating. Plus I have a really long arm, so this, like, I don't like that because then I feel like you reach over and it's like, okay. And I mean, you could always go like that, but what's the point when you can just buy a shirt that has long arms? So cute, but not quite for me. And it's also a very thin sweatshirt, by the way. I'm going to be horrible and try it on because this shirt under here is not that thick anyway, so I think it's fine. This is okay, but once again, it's very thin fabric. My problem with this is I feel like most of these clothes are somewhat see-through because they're very thin, and I feel like they're not going to probably hold up to washing them. And most of my clothes that I really like, I keep in just, you know, for years sometimes. So I don't think this is going to actually hold up to, you know, years. But if you're the type of person who has clothes and kind of, you know, wears them a few times and gets rid of them, then this might be for you. Okay, the next item I have is this, I don't even know, Zania premium dress. I don't know. To me, it looks like I would not like this. I don't know. It kind of looks very wide, but then, I don't know, I'm just going to try it on. Well, here's the dress. It's thin, but it's stretchy. It's kind of like the pinkish shirt I had on first. The sleeves actually do fit, so that's great. I actually like it a little better than I thought. It's like, I would wear this on a casual day going most places or out for like lunch or something. It's very soft, and on this one though, you cannot feel the seams. They're not irritating my skin at all, even though there are some seams. So I don't know, I might keep this one. It depends. Okay, so my final item that they gave me are these pants. They're real soft. They feel like they would be warm if they weren't so thin. It's really soft. kind of like a fake cashmere. I say cashmere, like a fake type of cashmere feel to them. Like you said, oh, that's super soft. I like this burgundy red color. My only problem, once again, is that I feel like once you wash this once or twice, definitely 3 times, it's not going to be the same pair of pants that you purchased, you know, today. So the subscription is $9.78, I believe, and if you buy anything out of the stuff you get each month, then that $9.78 goes as a credit toward the item you purchased. So pricing starts at $9.49 for the items I got and goes all the way up to $33.99. The cheapest item I got was the gold bracelet, which was pretty cute. I mean, I can kind of see $9.49 for that. But the most expensive thing, once again, is these pants, which are priced at $33.99, which for me, these are like a $10 pair of pants. So I would never pay that just based on pricing alone. This shirt I thought was cute. $24.49. I'm not sure. This shirt is a very similar in quality, and I paid about $7 from Boscov's. So when it's stuff in low quality, you know it's not going to last long. I prefer to pay the cheapest price I can pay because I know I'm not going to have it long. But when I'm paying $33.99 for a pair of pants, I want to know that I can have the pants for a long time. $33 for me is comparable to maybe a pair of Hollister jeans, something from the Gap, a TJ Maxx pair of jeans or something, or a pair of sweatpants. You know, you can actually get a name brand pair of pants for the same price of that. So I'm not really sure how this would save you money. But I'm sure there's a lot of people who have different opinions and they like it, and that's great. But for me, I think this one's gonna be a pass. I hope you enjoyed my review. If you've ever had Nadine West, let me know what you thought about the quality. What did you think about the wearability? Did they match you to what you feel your profile was? And I don't know, I'll see you in the next video. Please give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!